Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch anime on Android TV and Google TV. I will walk you through the apps to use, how to install them, and how to start watching your favorite shows on your TV. First of all, you need to turn on your Android TV or your Google TV and make sure that it is connected to the internet. From the home page itself, you just have to open the App Store. So in the App Store, you need to search for the popular illegal anime streaming applications, such as you can look for it on Netflix. You can also look for the Crunchyroll. So these are the major official anime services, or you can also look for other licensed streaming services on your in the search bar of your TV. And then you need to choose the one that you prefer and install it on your TV. After installation, simply open the application, then click on the option of sign in or continue on the home page. After that, you just have to basically continue free with the help of the ads, and you can also subscribe for the anime depending on the show that you want to watch. You can also use the search bar inside the application to look for the favorite anime titles, or you can browse the categories like trending, action, romance, or new releases. You can also select the anime, choose the episode, and hit play. You can also turn on the subtitles and dubbed audio from the playback settings depending on what the application supports. So if you don't want to install any of the applications, you can also use the built-in Google TV recommendations on the home screen to find the anime across multiple applications in one place. For smoother playback, just make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is strong, or you can move closer to your router. And that's how you can watch anime on your Android TV and your Google TV. Simply install an anime streaming application, sign in into it, search for your favorite show, and start watching it on the big screen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.